Okay guys, our next paper decoration is this little star, and very easy to make. You're going to start with your 8.5 by 11 paper, fold it into a square. Okay, now once you get your square, you're going to fold the corners over and fold the corners over again. And then you're going to be ready to do some cutting. Remember back in school when we made snowflakes? This is very similar. Alright, for this particular pattern, we're going to cut it like this. You're going to come up here, cut in from the side at an angle, not quite going all the way over to the edge. And then you're going to come over here and cut in just underneath it, and down, cut up. You want to make them pretty steep, your cuts. And then down at the bottom, you could do it straight, but I like to do kind of a curve there. Alright, so very basic folding there. Once you get your square, fold it over, and then just start your cuts coming in on each side. Okay, so it looks like this. And then unfold it. Oh, sorry guys, that was my phone. Okay, so now what you want to do is fold these two to the center. Okay, and we'll go ahead, put just a little bit of glue under there. Fold it down. And put just a little glue on top. And fold this one. Okay, now we're going to skip this one and go out here. I'll put just a little bit of glue. And bring it over. Holding it down. And again, a little bit of glue. We're skipping this one. We're going to pull this one forward. Okay, and go ahead and add some glue. Skip this one and pull this one. Hold it down. And glue. Skip this one, pull this one forward, glue. And to add glue again. I think you've probably got the hang of this now. The biggest thing is getting that fold and the cuts right. And fold this one over. And for the last one. And you can make these, you know, much thinner and have more of them folding over, and it would be really pretty too. Oops. Fold this over. And you can leave it as is. You could put another little bit of glue there and sprinkle glitter on it if you wanted. Or if you had any flat back rhinestones, gluing one of those right there would also be very cute. Now this is versatile since it's a star, in that you could make this to hang on a tree as well. The smaller you go, you know, the cuter it would be. If you made several really small ones and made a garland, it would be really cute. But this makes a really nice decoration as well. Alright, and I have something similar to this that I'll be showing you in the next video. It's a little more 3D as far as the back of this one is flat. The next one I'm going to do that has a lot of folds is going to be folding front to back. And so it's really cute. But I'll see you in the next video, guys.